In this video, I'll explain cryptocurrency airdrops, what it is, the benefits, risks, and why crypto projects conduct them. Have you ever wished you'd gotten in on the ground floor of Bitcoin or Ethereum? Imagine being able to get in early on the next big crypto project before the price jerks up. That's where airdrops come in. Crypto airdrops is one term that often leaves newcomers puzzled. Yet, airdrops are an integral part of the cryptocurrency ecosystem that can offer unexpected rewards for those in the know. Hello, and welcome to the Crypto Owl Prof channel, where we explore the latest in digital finance and cryptocurrency. Today, we'll understand the concept of crypto airdrops and their significance in the crypto community. Let's get right into it. So what exactly is a cryptocurrency airdrop? In simple terms, it's a way for blockchain projects or crypto exchanges to distribute free tokens or coins to a wide audience. Think of it like a marketing campaign, where companies give away free samples to promote their products. But instead of snacks, we're talking about digital money that could potentially have real value. It's a marketing strategy typically associated with the launch of a new cryptocurrency or a DeFi protocol used by blockchain startups to generate hype, increase awareness, and grow a loyal community around the project. It's all about getting the word out and attracting new users. How cryptocurrency airdrop works. Think of it like this. A new blockchain project wants to spread the word about their project. They decide to airdrop some of their tokens to a bunch of people. They announce it on their website, social media, and crypto forums. To get the tokens, you might need to hold a certain amount of another cryptocurrency, or you might need to do something like retweet one of their posts. Once the airdrop happens, the tokens are automatically sent to your wallet. What are the different types of airdrops? There are lots of different types of airdrops. Let's take a look at the most popular ones. Standard airdrop. This is the simplest type. You just need to provide your wallet address and you'll get the tokens. Bounty airdrop. This one involves doing small tasks like following the project on social media or sharing a post. Once you complete the task, you get your airdrop. Holder airdrop. This one rewards people who already own a certain amount of another cryptocurrency. For example, if you own Ethereum, you might get tokens from a new project that uses the Ethereum blockchain. Exclusive airdrop. This type of airdrop is for a specific group of people, like early supporters or VIPs. This one is like a lottery. You do something to earn an entry, and then a limited number of people are randomly selected to get the airdrop. How to participate in an airdrop. Okay, so you're interested in getting in on the airdrop action? Here's how you can get in. 1. Follow your favorite crypto companies on social media, subscribe to their newsletters, and join their communities to stay informed about potential airdrops. 2. Holding a variety of cryptocurrencies makes you eligible for more airdrops. 3. Some airdrops require users to complete specific tasks, like sharing posts on social media or referring friends. 4. You'll need a compatible wallet to receive the airdrop tokens. Most airdrops are based on the Ethereum blockchain, so an ERC20 compatible wallet is a good starting point. 5. Each airdrop has specific criteria for eligibility. Make sure you understand and fulfill those requirements to qualify for the free tokens. Before we continue with the risks associated with airdrops, if you're finding this content helpful, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up for more cryptocurrency tips. Thank you. Like with anything in the crypto world, there are some risks involved with airdrops. While airdrops can be a great way to get free crypto, there are unfortunately some scams out there. Let's talk about how to avoid those. Some airdrops are outright scams. They might try to trick you into sending them money or giving them your private keys. Your private keys are like your bank account password for your crypto wallet, so never share them. Be wary of unsolicited offers. Legitimate projects usually announce airdrops through official channels. Be suspicious of any random messages or emails promising free tokens. Use a secure wallet provider with strong security features to protect your digital assets. Be careful of phishing links. Don't click on links in emails or messages that you're not expecting. Finally, before participating in any airdrop, thoroughly investigate the project. Look for red flags like a lack of information, a shady team, or promises that seem too good to be true. Now that you know what cryptocurrency airdrop is and how it works, you may want to learn how to get crypto airdrops for free. If so, then click to watch this video right here.